Is your current smartphone lagging or overheating during intense gaming sessions? Imagine a phone that stays cool, delivers stunning graphics, and offers seamless gameplay with no lag, just pure performance. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 smartphones for gamers, designed to elevate your gaming experience. Whether you're battling in multiplayer arenas, exploring open worlds, or immersing yourself in captivating stories, these phones will deliver the ultimate gaming experience. Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. Kicking off our list is the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. This phone is often regarded as the ultimate gaming smartphone because of its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM. This device can handle any game you throw at it without breaking a sweat. The standout feature is its 165Hz AMOLED display, which provides ultra-smooth visuals that make fast-paced games feel incredibly responsive. What truly sets this phone apart is its air trigger controls, which are customizable touch-sensitive buttons that enhance your control during critical moments in gameplay. The robust cooling system ensures that the device stays cool even during extended gaming sessions, allowing you to play without interruptions. Whether you're into mobile esports or casual gaming, the ROG Phone 8 Pro delivers an unparalleled experience. 2. Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro. Next is the Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro, which is known for its impressive performance and gamer-centric features. This phone is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and up to 12 GB of RAM. One of its standout features is the built-in cooling fan, which helps maintain peak performance during long gaming sessions by preventing overheating. The 144Hz refresh rate display ensures that every frame looks smooth and fluid, making it perfect for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. Additionally, the phone comes with shoulder triggers that mimic gamepad buttons, giving you an edge in fast-paced games. If you're looking for a phone that can keep up with your gaming demands while offering a unique design, the Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro is definitely worth considering. 3. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now let's talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is not marketed specifically as a gaming phone. Its capabilities are undeniable. Powered by the A17 Pro chip, this device offers console-level performance in a sleek form factor. The Super Retina XDR display provides stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing your gaming experience. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing and access to Apple Arcade, you can enjoy a vast library of exclusive games optimized for iOS. Although it may not have dedicated gaming features like some others on this list, the overall performance and ecosystem make it an excellent choice for gamers who also want a versatile smartphone. 4. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This top device combines top-tier specs with an incredible display featuring a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The S24 Ultra boasts a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. One of its standout features is its impressive 5000 mAh battery, which means you can game for hours without worrying about running out of power. The phone also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your battery between sessions. While not specifically designed as a gaming phone, its overall performance makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want versatility without compromising on power. 5. OnePlus 12, a smartphone that truly delivers incredible value for gamers without breaking the bank. This device is powered by the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring that you can play even the most demanding games with ease. The stunning 120Hz fluid AMOLED display makes every action look smooth and vibrant, enhancing your gaming experience like never before. The OnePlus 12 features super fast charging capabilities, meaning you won't be waiting long between gaming sessions, which is perfect for those who are always on the go. Imagine jumping back into your favorite game in just a few minutes after a quick charge. If you're searching for a smartphone that can handle all your gaming needs while being affordable, the OnePlus 12 is definitely a top contender. It's a fantastic choice that combines performance, stunning visuals, and great battery life, making it ideal for anything. 6. Xiaomi Black Shark 6 Pro. Next up is the Xiaomi Black Shark 6 Pro, a smartphone crafted specifically for the ultimate gaming experience. This incredible device features magnetic pop-up triggers that enhance your gameplay control significantly, giving you extra touch-sensitive buttons right at your fingertips. Imagine having those extra controls for your thumbs, making every game feel more immersive and responsive. Under the hood, it's powered by the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring that every action feels instantaneous, with absolutely no lag or stuttering. The phone boasts an impressive 144 Hz refresh rate, making visuals smoother than ever. Plus, with its dual battery system, you can enjoy longer gaming sessions without interruptions. This means more time conquering your favorite games and less time worrying about charging. If you're a serious gamer looking for reliability and performance, the Xiaomi Black Shark 6 Pro is definitely a fantastic choice that will elevate your gaming to new heights. 7. Motorola Edge Plus. And now the Motorola Edge Plus 2024, a smartphone that truly shines for gamers. This device delivers lightning-fast performance with its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it perfect for even the most demanding games. You can enjoy marathon gaming sessions due to its incredible 15-hour battery life, so you won't have to worry about running out of power mid-game. The 165 Hz display offers stunning responsiveness, ensuring every action feels smooth and instantaneous. What really sets this phone apart is its advanced cooling system, which prevents overheating and throttling during long gaming sessions. If you're a serious gamer who values both power and endurance, the Motorola Edge Plus 2024 is an outstanding choice that will elevate your gaming experience to new heights. 8. Sony Xperia 1V, a smartphone that excels in both gaming and multimedia consumption. Its stunning 4K OLED display with HDR support delivers vibrant, lifelike visuals for games and videos alike. The dedicated gaming mode optimizes performance, ensuring smooth graphics and minimal lag for an enjoyable experience. What truly sets the Xperia 1V apart is its impressive audio capabilities. Powerful stereo speakers and support for high-resolution audio codecs create an immersive soundscape that significantly enhances your gaming sessions. The Xperia 1V is a fantastic choice for those who value both stunning visuals and captivating audio. Its combination of a stunning display and impressive sound makes it a top pick for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts alike. 9. iQOO Neo 7. Rounding out our list at number 9 is the iQOO Neo 7, recognized as one of the best budget options for gamers in early 2024. This smartphone impresses with its powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, delivering smooth performance for all your gaming needs. The vibrant 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED display enhances visual clarity, making every game look stunning and responsive. Despite its affordability, the iQOO Neo 7 provides flagship-level performance, allowing gamers to enjoy high-quality graphics and gameplay without overspending. With features like a large 5000 mAh battery and fast charging support, you can game for hours without interruptions. If you're looking to maximize your gaming experience on a budget, the iQOO Neo 7 is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. 10. Realme GT 3. Last but not least, we have the Realme GT 3, a smartphone that truly impresses with its cutting-edge features. This device boasts a stunning 1444Hz AMOLED display, providing vibrant colors and smooth visuals that enhance your gaming experience. Powered by the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, it ensures lightning-fast performance, allowing you to tackle even the most demanding games effortlessly. What really sets the Realme GT 3 apart is its unique cooling system, which utilizes a vapor chamber and graphene sheets to maintain optimal performance during those intense gaming marathons. Plus, with a massive 5000 mAh battery and support for 150 WR fast charging, you can quickly recharge and get back to playing in no time. If you're looking for a phone that combines top-notch specs with a sleek design, the Realme GT 3 is definitely worth considering for any serious gamer. Whether you're looking for high refresh rates, powerful processors, or unique gaming features, these devices have got you covered. The smartphones we've discussed today are true marvels of engineering, offering performance that rivals dedicated gaming devices. So, which smartphone are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.